I just go and wash my hair again.
Hoping that if I shave my head off, I'll get my curly hair back.
I mean, it's better than not having hair.
Not a big deal for me.
I just roll it up like this.
Completely understandable. We're here to find out at Carter Road how people have their own hacks to figure out their bad hair days or how they manage it. Let's go and find out. Would you rather shave your entire head off or dye your hair neon green?
I'll shave my hair.
Seriously, answer faster.
Why is that?
I've colored my hair once in my life and I've hated it so much that I'm never going to color my hair.
Which color did you choose?
Actually chose a very natural brown, but it wears off anyway in really weird ombre kind of thing, which is so even if I dyed my hair neon, I would have to shave it because it would be so terrible by the end of it. So no dyeing for me.
I'd surely dye it. I have no issues. Any color works. That's fine.
I think you'll pull it off well too. Okay. Yes, you will.
I would shave it off because I had curly hair as a kid, and after my mundan I got all straight hair. So now I'm hoping that if I shave my head off, I'll get my curly hair back.
So you have an ulterior motive. It has nothing to do with that.
I don't have the guts to do that, but one day, maybe.
I'll dye it green for sure.
Oh, really?
I mean, it's better than not having hair. Big hair on your head.
I can always have a big wig.
Oh yeah.
That's a smart.
You have a neon green wig then?
If it's a wig, then why not all the colors? Dye it neon green.
Why?
I don't want to shave off my head. I don't want to be bald.
I get it. But you know, it'll grow back.
I'd still prefer not going bald.
I think neon green is also something you can pull off.
I'll rather dye it neon.
I get it. What would you do?
I would shave it off.
It's so much easier for guys to do that.
I've done it before, so not a big deal for me.
It is a very big deal for me, and I've also done it before. So didn't work out. Did not work out.
I am not really so experimental with my hair because I'm a hair donor. And that's not allowed, right? If you're donating hair.
जल्दी बोल कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना.
So I'd rather shave off my hair.
I tried donating once, but my hair was not good enough. They said so. It was a bad rejection, but it's fine.
I think I'll shave it off.
Why?
It's better than having neon hair. It's not gonna suit my face. अब बाल तो वापस बढ़ जाएगा यार क्या ही होने वाला है.
Okay. And
I would dye it. I would try it like a new neon hair. I would try it. I would dye it.
okay, so when you're having a bad hair day, what do you usually do? Like, do you have a hack, or what do you tell yourself to feel better? What is your way to?
So I just crunch my hair with a hair cream and it gives it some form, like on days when I feel like my hair is not looking best. So.
Do you use any tools? To make
Yes,
it
I use a curling iron.
Oh, that's good. That's really good.
Shampoo every day. That's what I do. I've just been used to it. I've been doing it for years. So tough for me to have a bad hair day. And
It's just one of the lucky ones that just never have a bad day. You.
I put it in a bun or I make a braid.
Okay.
It's like back ponies.
Okay. What do you guys use any products or anything that makes you feel better?
Serum sometimes. Otherwise, a braid is a safe option.
Serum or hair balm.
That's good. That's really great. I do the same thing.
Serum that I have, Redken, and it fixes up.
Do you have any tools that you use?
Not really, no.
Okay, so this is naturally straight?
Yeah, that's why I don't have to do a lot for my hair.
You have beautiful hair.
Thank you.
I normally just shampoo and conditioner, and after that I just put some curling cream.
So do you have particularly any bad hair days?
Not really.
Wow, lucky. Okay. Is there anything that you have to your hair care ritual that helps you feel better?
Yeah, so I have really frizzy hair, so I use something which is conditioning and keeps my hair frizz free entire day. So I first oil them, okay, and then I have a dry scalp, so I use some kind of a lotion, okay, I massage it. Then for the rest of the hair I use an oil which is not a really thick oil, it's like nourishing oil.
Get there faster.
Oh, that's a really elaborate, good idea of what you want to do for your hair. I love that.
I think I just go and oil it and give myself that satisfaction that tomorrow you're going to look good once you wash your hair.
If I just tie my hair and go and put a cap on it, you look cool anyways.
That's fair. What do you like? Is there a product? Is there tool that you use? Is there something that you incorporate into your routine?
Nothing. I am doing my bachpan ka remedy which mom used to do it. Use normal shampoo and that's it. That's all I do. Yeah.
First, I do it like I oil my hair with coconut oil. After that, I do shampoo and conditioner. That's all.
That's a good routine to have. That's simple. That's nice. We've got this product right here. You can hold it. See what it feels like. It has multiple modes. You know, it has 2 different attachments to it. It basically does 3 different things. Very versatile. What do you think is the price of this product?
Anything between 15 to 20,000.
15 to 20k?
Yeah.
Yeah, like 25 to 30.
25 to 30k.
15 to 20K.
That is a rough one.
You can guess any price.
I'm guessing around 3,500 or so.
And what's your guess?
5,000. 5,000-6,000.
Maybe around the same price, 5,000-6,000.
This product is for 2,400.
I was hearing you. So went on double only.
I have couple of like the entire set of it.
Oh, beautiful.
I think this is the new launch because I have not seen this.
Okay, the product's real price is currently 2,400 on the website and 3,000 MRP. So if you want to buy it for cheaper, you can buy it right now. This would be a good time.
That's nice, but it's really nice.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being in the video.
Thank you.
Man, those were some crazy answers we got out of that Vox Pop. What would you do if you had the choice to shave your head off or dye your hair neon green? Let us know in the comments and like, share and subscribe to get more such videos. Thank you.